Crazy ways to make traffic to your Facebook pages explode. Hey there, everyone. Driving traffic to your Facebook engagement channels, mainly to your Facebook pages, is priority number one in your latest Facebook marketing efforts. And while you might think that the tactics and strategies we showed you live are the best things to try out, but you'll be happy to learn that there are extra ways to squeeze out traffic to your Facebook pages from unexpected sources. In this lesson, we're going to discuss some of the smartest tricks that we have been trying for amazing results, and we strongly encourage you to try them out too. Include your Facebook page URL in your email signature. One thing that email marketers will tell you is that the content that you include in your email signatures is key to driving actions from simple communications. That is why you see marketers and business owners including a link to their social profiles or websites in their email signatures. They know that recipients are highly likely to click on them. So, a very smart way to send qualified traffic to your Facebook pages is by including your Facebook page URL in your email signatures. All you have to do is to include a call to action below your name in the signature that reads, "Find me on Facebook," or "My company on Facebook," and to include a hyperlink inside the text. This simple strategy will help you double traffic from email to your Facebook pages quickly and easily. Send email blast campaigns to promote your pages. You can send an email blast to your contacts when you create your Facebook page to let them know that your company is now on Facebook. You will get a significant number of likes and follows on your page this way. But that's only part one of this strategy, because you can send a second email blast to email subscribers that opt in on your site and to email leads that you capture on other channels sometime after you send the first email blast. This email blast is to also let them know that they can also follow you and interact with you on Facebook. But be careful, because you can send this email blast to subscribers that are not following you on Facebook yet, so make sure to prepare a list of no followers whom to send your email blast first. Promote your Facebook page in store. This strategy is valid for both physical stores and online stores, and it is quite simple. All you are going to do is to add a call to action or banner to let visitors know of your Facebook page. This is easy to do on your online store, as you'll simply have to add a like button on the front page and on product pages. Most store builders have this feature built in, so you shouldn't have trouble adding this button to your site. And if you have a physical store, this is as simple as printing a banner or poster with a screen cap of your Facebook page, the page URL, and a call to action inviting people to like the page. Install a social sharing plugin on your websites. A very effective strategy to encourage people to visit and like your Facebook pages is by encouraging them to share your content first. Now, you can't hope that people will share your content with their Facebook friends just because. You have to make it easy for them to do so. Luckily, you can add social sharing buttons to your content pages so people reading your content on your website can forward it to their Facebook friends with a single click. If you use WordPress as your content management system, installing social sharing buttons on your pages is easy because you can install them with a plugin. There are literally dozens of social share plugins available, but we recommend the following: Social Snap, Easy Social Share Buttons, Mash Share, WP Social Sharing, Social Pug. Engage with other Facebook pages and groups. Another good way to drive qualified traffic to your Facebook pages is by engaging with other Facebook pages and groups using your page. This increases your page's visibility and encourages people to take a look at your brand name and logo, to visit your page, and liking your page afterwards. And if you post thoughtful comments that add value to publications on other pages and groups in your niche, you also increase your brand's authority. Optimize your content for mobile. The number of mobile users grows year by year, but not all content is optimized for mobile, which makes it difficult to share. This means that you have to make sure that all the content you publish is mobile-friendly and responsive. To ensure this, use media that fits all possible formats, and preview your posts before publishing them to make sure they look good on mobile devices.